Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another nail show and this is Halloween edition, and I actually picked out this color and I was like, I want to paint my nails with this color, and then I realized this is perfect to be nail show Halloween edition because Halloween is approaching and I know that a lot of my viewers actually celebrate Halloween. Even though in my country we don't celebrate it, I'm very up to date when it comes to things, so I do love Halloween. I think the whole concept behind Halloween as a holiday is great, and actually my niece, she lives in the United States, she loves Halloween. It's her favorite holiday. I love that kids go trick-or-treating and that people actually dress up. I think it's so fun. And also I did a video which is like red to black ombre gradient nails. I will have it in the description box below so you can watch it, and that can be perfect manicure as well if you want something that it's more like, you know, jazzed up for Halloween. I think it definitely represents Halloween. It goes from red to black, and I did use this nail polish as like my black because this one, it does really look black, but it's actually very deep purple, maybe burgundy color. People will definitely think that you have just plain black nail polish, but it's not. It's fancy, just like you are. I will have it listed in the description box below so you guys can know what nail polish I'm actually applying if you want to know that. It's one by OPI that I got a long time ago. I think it was one of my like second purchases of nail polishes, like one of the first, and I just love this color and I thought it's perfect. As you can see in the video, I did apply two coats and then added a top coat because top coat is a must. Dry fast top coat, trust me, works magically. So let me know, do you celebrate Halloween? Did you like this video? I want to hear your feedback because I love hearing back from you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe if you're new because here on my channel we do a variety of videos, and I'm so happy that I can share this with my viewers and that we here have our little family. So hope you guys enjoyed this and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.